Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. Today's quick tip is about your washi tape. My first tip for you is that I place all the coordinating washi tape from one series on one of these large rings. Makes it really easy for me to hang them and leave them visible in my stamp room, easy to grab, and then of course the color coordination is all together. But if you're like me, you have difficulty finding the end and lifting the end up and keeping it there. But I've got a tip for you. Debbie Campbell follows me on my blog and my YouTube channel, and she said, Lisa, try this. I cut a piece of 1 inch by 1 inch window sheet, and I stick that right underneath the end of that washi tape on the end of the roll. And look how easy it is not only to pull it off, but to identify it. All I have to do now is remove my washi tape, and then stick the end of my window sheet under that loose end to make it really easy for me to find next time. Thanks to Debbie Campbell for this great tip. I no longer have to find the end of my washi tape. If you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and you're interested in ordering Stampin' Up! Products, I'd be more than happy to send you a copy of the current Stampin' Up! Catalog. Just leave me a comment below. Remember to head over to my blog. While you're there, subscribe to my newsletter. I provide a free tutorial that's not featured on any of my other platforms. Thanks so much for joining me, everyone. I look forward to seeing you next week for another quick tip. Have a great day.